In a previous video, we unboxed and took a quick look at the new VVivid Best Damn Knife Quick Lock Edition. But how does it compare in features and style to the other VVivid knives available on the market? Today, this video will take a look at 4 different knives and compare some of the features between all 4. Let's get started. And so now that we've looked at the new Quick Lock VVid's Best Damn Knife Quick Lock version, let's take a look at their original or first iteration of the Best Damn Knife. I have one right here. Again, it's a metal body. This one is a black colored powder coated, I believe. It does have some decent weight to it. It's got a nice feel to it as well. And in this version of the Best Damn Knife, in order to move the blade, you can see right now it is locked, and that's one of the features of the Best Damn Knife is locking blade mechanisms. You have to actually twist this, which loosens the body, and as I twist it, you can see, look at this gap right here. It will start to open and expand, and what that does is, if you look here, as I open or close it, it's basically compressing the body of the knife together. It's two halves, the top half and the bottom half, and this allows the body to slide, and basically this clamps it down, and that's what prevents the blade from moving once it's locked in place. So we unlock it by twisting counterclockwise, lefty-loosey, and that allows the blade to slide in and out, because now that front area has been opened, and when you put the blade to where you want it, then you would turn clockwise to lock the blade, and now it won't move. Can't move. Okay, so that is different from the quick lock, which is simply a lever that unlocks or opens the body up so that the blade can move around, and then you can lock it again with the lever just by pressing it down, and that basically locks the body in place so that the blade will not move, whether you have it extended or fully retracted. Now, in order to change the blade on this original Best Damn Knife, it's a little more complicated than this one, where basically here, you pull it out, you slide all the way to the left until the blade is kind of floppy loose, then pull out what's left of the blade, get your new blade, put it into the opening notch here until he hits the red part, and you can actually push it in a little bit, and then once it's hooked, go ahead and slide it back in, and that replaces the blade on the quick lock version. On the original version, what you have to do here is you have to actually take the knife apart, which can be a little cumbersome. So fully unscrew this, and you can see it's just a threaded mechanism that allows the body, you can see the body moves, and the reason why it's moving on its own is because there's a spring right in here. And so if I flip it over, I won't flip it over actually, I'll just take this off right here. Watch for that spring because it fell off there. You don't want to lose that. And then here, now you can take this off and change out the blade by taking it out. This is like a prong mechanism here, 3 parts. This is the hook part, and that's a holder part on the top. So then you get your new blade, put it in here just like so. That way it's hooked on. Then replace it in the sliding area. Make sure your spring is there in place, and then get the body over the spring, push it together, and screw in the back piece here just like this. Slide it back in all the way before it goes, and there you go. Now you've changed the blade. So you can see, while the locking mechanism is useful for ensuring your blade doesn't move around while you're using a knife, it is a little bit more involved in terms of changing out your blade than the quick lock version. Otherwise, this does have a nice solid metal body. Again, I don't know what type of metal is, if it's steel, aluminum, or an alloy of some sort. It does have a good feel and a weight to this one as well. But those are the differences between the Best Damn Knife Quick Lock and the original Best Damn Knife by VVivid. So let's take a look at another VVivid knife compared to the Best Damn Knife Quick Lock here, and even the Best Damn Knife. This is what I consider one of their original knives. I've had this style. I've used several of these over the years. This is a newer one because I've gone through them so much. This one I really, really like. It's the one that CK Raps uses, or used to use in his videos. I don't know if he still uses this or not. But it's a very good knife body. It's really lightweight because it is a plastic body. It's shaped really nicely, has a good feel to it. This little notch here, when you put the blade, so that the blade fills in the notch, that's good for cutting knifeless tape or string or whatever. Just feed the string through, or knifeless tape, and pull down, and because the blade is right there, it cuts it. Has a plastic guard over here so that you don't catch your finger on the blade there. As you can see, it does not have a locking mechanism. It's a notch system. like this. So if you're pushing down for whatever reason and you push hard enough, this possibly could go in. But the nice thing about this style blade is you can move the blade on the go without having to stop to unlock it, either by the lever with the quick lock, or untwist, move, and then twist again to be able to move the blade back and forth. Another thing with this one, to change the blade, unlike these two here, this one you do have to do some minor disassembly. You just push this notch in on the back, or this little tab in the back, and pops the back cap off, which, by the way, has a little notch right here, and that is for snapping off blades when it comes time to put a new blade, or snap your blade off right there. So you can see how that notch just snapped that blade right there. And so in order to change the blade, once you take this off, you slide the slider mechanism all the way back here, and you can see it comes right out. Take the old blade out, get yourself a new blade here. Try to just get one blade. Okay. There's the hole in the blade. There's a little circular notch right there. Put that right in like so. Kind of hold the two together. Slide this back in place. Pop it in. And there you go. So pretty fast, just like the quick lock blade, where you just pop this up, slide the blade out, put a new one in, and slide it together. This one has a little bit of disassembly, but is nowhere near as involved as trying to change the blade for the Best Damn Knife original version like this. All right, so this is another one of the blades, knives offered by VVivid. This one I really like. It's one of my favorite knife body styles that I like and highly recommend as well. The last VVivid knife that I want to show you in comparison to the Best Damn Knife Quick Lock Edition from VVivid is this knife right here, which is VVid's Precision Glide knife. Now, to me, this is more of a crafting knife, or a craft knife, than a vinyl wrap knife like these are intended to be. In overall, really, they're all just general purpose knives that happen to be used a lot for vinyl wrap, but you can use them for whatever purpose you need a really sharp portable utility knife for. Now this one is different from the other ones here, where these all use their long 30-degree blades that you can get. This one slides out as well. Has one of the X-Acto, I call them X-Acto style knife blade. So you notice that the angle is opposite for this one, where the sharp edge of the blade is. This has the flat side, if you will, is the cutting side, and the angle is just the top of the blade side. I'm not sure what the best way to describe that would be. Whereas opposite on your X-Acto knives, X-Acto knife style blade, like here's an X-Acto style knife blade, uses the same type of blade in this knife as well. So to me, that's why this is more like an X-Acto or craft knife, except it has a protective body that you can retract the blade into. So back to this, the blade, the cutting surface is on the angled side and not on the top side or the flat side. And so here, in order to change the blade, basically you would pop this back off right here, slide out the blade sliding mechanism, pop this off, put a new, and there's a little notch here that you would put the back end of the blade in and hook it the hole over that notch guide. And then once you have reloaded a new blade in there, that's when you would just simply slide it back together like this and put it in. As compared to a craft X-Acto style knife, it's a little bit easier, whereas this one you have to twist to unlock, pop, line and put it on, and then twist and lock. Twist and lock this one again. Oops, let me get that back in place here. And lock this one in place. And so basically it's a little bit easier to use. It has a nicer, in my opinion, nicer body. It's a plastic, smooth side edges, rounded edges. It's got a good feel to it. It's lightweight. And then I like the fact that you can retract the blade once you're done with it for safety. I'm always one that after I'm done cutting, I like to put the blade away, whereas this one always remains exposed unless you have your cap nearby to put that on. This one you don't need a separate cap because you just slide it back into the body. And so altogether, these are 4 different knives offered by VVivid. These 3 generally tend to be used for vinyl wrapping. And then this one I like to categorize more of a craft knife than a vinyl wrapping knife, but you can easily use it for vinyl wrapping as well. But in reality, all of these knives offered by VVivid are just basic utility knives that you can use for whatever purpose that you need a sharp knife with breakaway blades for. I'll have links in the description for all of these knives so that you can get them on your own as well. So now that we've taken a look at 3 other knives offered by VVivid, I'd be very interested to know if you've used or have any of these other knives or the new Best Damn Knife Quick Lock Edition. And of these knives, which one do you like the most? Drop a comment below and let me know what you think about them, whether you like them, whether you don't like them, what you do like about them, and what you don't like about them. And as always, guys, I really appreciate you guys watching. If you did like this video, be sure to hit like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you in the next one.